Yo, what's good, guys? KosherTech here. So today, of course, you know what time it is. We got some more Say With Me That ChineseRGBFans to review. Let's go. I'm hyped for this one, man. All right, so check it. So we got the brand new EZDIY-FAB Pure White. All right, you feel me? And we also got Asiahorse. All right, so check it. This is their box. This is their box. This is basically their fans. Now look. I mean, I gotta give it up to EZDIY bit off of Asiahorse for these fans. The only reason why I'm saying that is because Asiahorse made them first. Alright, but at the end of the day, do I really care who bit off of who? I really don't, man. It is what it is. But anyways, let's do as always. Listen, you can cop both of these. The Asiahorse ones are the FS-9002 fans. I did review these. You know how much I love these. These are white. This is the EZDIY. Oh my god, EZDIY-FAB. Man, this is a damn mouthful, yo. Anyways, pure white, yo. But anyways, let's unbox it pretty quick. Before we unbox it, I want to say these fans, the Fab fans, I want to say retail under 50. The Asiahorse FS-9002 fans retail, I want to say 50 plus. So you can catch them anywhere from $55 to $60. These bad boys, you can catch them from like 40 to, I bought them at 47, so 40 to 47. But anyways, let's unbox. I want to unbox the Fab, but I also want to show you guys as well as how the Asiahorse looks. But anyways, we got the Fab, right? Let's pop them off. Oh, calm down, Kosher. Anyways, the box is whack. You have a QR code over here. Nothing breaking down. No specs broken down over here. Nothing here. What does this say? You're consulting. Yeah, I don't know. Man, these better not be no German. I know they Chinese, man. They be playing. But anyways, you have the EZDIY-FAB USA white fans over here. Made, of course, in China. But yeah, box is pretty whack, I gotta say. Asiahorse box, same thing. Pretty whack, no specs. They honestly, listen, they just literally bit off them because these fans are pretty fire. These are the fans themselves. Man, let's take away the hub. Oh man, the hub be playing there. At least if you bite it, do it better, right? All right, so this is a 5-pack. All right, so we get a bunch of screws over here. You guys can see. We get a hub. I'll get into the fans 1 second. Let me just break down exactly the accessories. We get a hub. We get 3M tape, which is whack. What they should have done is gave us magnets. Same thing. Asiahorse did drop the ball on this one as well. They gave us cutouts. I'm gonna show you guys, but no magnets. We do have labeling here on the fans. It supports 10 fans. Same thing basically as the Asiahorse. I think Asiahorse is either 10 or 12, 10 or 8. We have 2 LED ports over here for LED light strips. So you get light strips here. We have your power, your 5 volt to 12 volt, your ARGB connector over here, and then your Mobo. What's this? Your SATA connector. Actually, let's just make this easier. Let's pop this over here. Put this over there. Anyways, we got SATA power, which is always a plus. We got the same thing for the Asiahorse ones. We have the ARGB functionality over here. So if you want to synchronize this with the ARGB motherboard, you basically straight. We have a remote control over here. Very simple remote control. This thing actually does come off. So we come this out. Make sure you pop this out. You get a red light. Oh, there you go. Nice here. All right, so we straight. Anyway, simple remote control here. We have auto, off, SM. This is, I gotta see what these. I mean, they should have labeled it at least. I believe, I'm not, wait a minute. Oh my God. My fault, guys. I'm moving pretty quick here. These are not PWM? These don't seem like they're actually PWM, guys, because if it was PWM, it would say PWM functionality. So I don't think these are actually PWM. So I gotta play with it. We have order colors. We can turn it off. We have different speeds for LEDs. We have different modes. We have brightness adjustments, and we have all these RGB standard colors over here, which we're gonna run on through the with the demo. Now I do want to just show you guys basically how these look. These are the Asiahorse ones. Look, just on presentation presentation alone. I gotta give it to Asiahorse. You see how everything was basically covered? Now all the stuff are basically, all the accessories are in this accessory box. The fans are basically all over here. Essentially, these are the fans. I don't gotta go through all the fans. But look, man, this is what I'm talking about. Accessory. We have a nice accessory box over here. We pop it out. We get a nice booklet. Quick install guide. There's no booklet on that. Come on, Fab. If you're copying them, do it at least the same or do it better. You feel me? Don't make it worse. Because, come on, man. All right, now this is what I was talking about. So you see the Asiahorse hub? Basically the same. You see how I'm saying Asiahorse dropped the ball on this one? They gave us cutouts from magnets, but they didn't give us magnets, which I don't understand what they was thinking. But it is what it is. I see on Asiahorse hub, we don't get a label over here for fans, but we do have these basically arrows pointing, you know. So we have 3, 4, 5. So we get 10 fans. Same thing here. So in Asiahorse we have PWM functionality. That's what I was saying. So the Asiahorse fans, at least I see, they are PWM. What I want to do is I'm going to switch the hubs. See if I could use these EZDIY-FAB fans with this, which I honestly think I can. And we have power here for SATA. So essentially the same thing over here. We have a remote control as well. Again, a better remote control from Asiahorse. Asiahorse remote control, actually everything is broken down. You see, look at that. Everything essentially is broken down. This remote control is pretty whack. So EZDIY actually, you know, did kind of bite off on them, but they didn't do it right. Also here we have adhesive over here. Same, you know, this adhesive BS is it is what it is. Let me just pop this bad boy in there because I am going to be doing a giveaway of these fans, so I really don't want to just, you know, ruin the experience for whomever is going to win them. But anyways, Asiahorse presentation, I got to say, takes the dub on this one. Now let's talk about the fans. Oof, the fans. All right. So you guys tell me. Son, they look exactly alike. They are basically the same exact fans. We have the same exact proprietary, what is this, a 6-pin power cable. Same exact. Now, a lot of you cats was saying that, listen, yeah, these grommets thingies over here do turn yellow. But better example, I'll give you guys can see it right here for yourselves. Check it. They turn yellow. The Asiahorse ones are a bit yellow than the EZDIY-FAB. I mean, it is what it is. Listen, it's what you expect. You know, they're going to turn yellow, but, you know, ain't no one going to really see them too. But they are going to turn yellow for the Fab ones. But anyways, let's turn them like this. Same thing over here. We have an Asiahorse logo. We have an EZDIY logo. We have an LED ring here. Son, they're exactly the same. I don't know how else to tell you. We have an Asiahorse logo over here. We just have EZDIY over here. EZDIY doesn't have actual logo. They have literature over here. But same exact thing. I want to say the wire is like literally the same exact length. So put it like that. Wire, same exact length. So same exact fans, but first impressions, I gotta, yeah, man, this has key, but this has Mobo. I want to make this a bit of a comparison just to give you guys a better idea. Yo, Coach, you know, which fan should I cop? We're going to do everything here in the review. We're going to test a bunch of things out. I'm going to see in the hubs. But I just want to see straight off the bat, just unboxing, essentially, like, yo, who you give it to? Son, I got to give it to Asiahorse, man. These are at least PWM from what I'm seeing now. When I plug them in, I'm going to put them in. But Fab, like, yo, son, you copied them, which is all cool. Listen, man, for me, the consumer, I really don't care who copied who. All I want is essentially the best for me. So if it's the best for me, it's going to be the best for you. You feel me? So just the impressions over here, they basically copied them, but the remote control is pretty whack. They didn't, you know, list us exactly, give us like functionalities here of what does what. So they dropped the ball on that. The hub, I gotta say, they dropped a big ball on the hub too. Why do they not give us magnets? Which this adhesive, it is what it is, but they should just make it magnetic. I like how they put the, you know, 1 through 5 over here, but it's not PWM again from what I'm just seeing from my first impressions. But same things, man, same things. But anyways, right now, let's. I mean, the fans. Look at this. The fans are lit. Yeah, exact same fan. Son, what I think happened is, yo, check it. I think Fab rolled up onto Asiahorse's warehouse, right? They had their team roll up and they just went quickly like, yo, let's take these fans, you feel me? And just take the exact same fans and put our logo in it. Let's make some money, man. Respect. But yo, same exact things. But anyways, let's pop these bad boys in. And yeah, let's just see how they rock, yo. Let's go. Alright guys, so as always, we got the mic few inches off the glass, and the tempered glass is on. The ghetto paper towel test is officially go. Now I did mention that they weren't PWM in the beginning because I actually didn't see it because it was very similar to the Asiahorse hub where they gave us a PWM wire, but in this case they are PWM, but they just didn't give us no wire, so it's dedicated through the hub. Now they have 3 different speeds. This is on the lowest speed. Now unfortunately there's no literature that says the different RPMs that these fans go up to, but this is at the lowest speed, and then we're gonna basically turn up. I believe there's, like I said, there's 3 different speeds. So let's hear it, how it sounds, and look at the air being pushed. So we're gonna turn it up 1. We're gonna turn up 1 more. So this is max RPM. Now I gotta say, it's not bad whatsoever. The Asiahorse fan, the FS-9002s, very similar for airflow as well. I believe, I want to say this, maybe this is 1500 or maybe this is 1300. Again, I'm not too sure, but they are pretty quiet at this max RPM, guys. Let's turn it all the way down. Let's put it on max. Again, as you can see, there's a good amount of airflow with my amazing test, as always, guys. So I did get them installed, as you guys could see. All right, so I put the EZDIY. Oh, damn. Let me show you guys. I know it's going to come out. So the EZDIY hub is here. It's installed. Now, what I basically did is I put the Asiahorse fan. So yes, it does work. The only thing is you would need to use the EZDIY remote control, not the Asiahorse remote control. But they do work. They do have the exact same functionalities. They do have the PWM functionalities. Next, what I want to do is actually just switch over the Asiahorse hub, right? So we're going to remove that EZDIY hub, and I'm going to plug all these fans into the Asiahorse hub, and I want to see how they work. Let's go. So bam, there you guys go. Same thing. Now I got to say, man, the Asiahorse hub, I like a bit more. It has better effects. It has much more effects. And of course, I do have the Asiahorse hub. These are for, I want to say these are for the these are not for the FS-9002s. These are for the FS-N001s or the other ones with the glitter. I'm not sure, but yeah, that's the hub. I mean, all these Asiahorse hubs basically all work with one another. The EZDIY hub is here. I left it. Now again, you're gonna have to use the Asiahorse remote and not the EZDIY remote if you're gonna use the Asiahorse hub. But yeah, I love it, man. It looks great. Look, the LEDs, I gotta say, just the effects are, we're gonna run through the effects right now in a second, the RGB effects, but I gotta say that the effects are better in the Asiahorse, man. They're much more effects. Like, look at these cool freaking effects. We're gonna run through the other effects and we're gonna see, but you get much more options. Like, look at the remote control, right? Let's put it right here. You get much more options in the remote control, different modes. Everything is broken down, as I said in my unboxing, but yeah, man, it's pretty fire. But anyways, let's run through some RGB, guys. Let's go. So as always, guys, let's run through the solid colors first. Now I gotta say, you see that rear Asiahorse fan over there? I don't know, that don't look like it's white. It looks like the color's a little faded. I'm not sure if it's the fan. I didn't have a chance to swap them, but I don't know what the heck's going on with that fan. I just want to show you guys one in white. If you guys have the same problem with these Asiahorse fans, let me know. Also, I want to address something else. This is probably like the biggest thing in my server is these oil spills. All right, I don't know who the heck came up with this oil spill. Maybe on Amazon you cats be trolling or something, but yo, I didn't have no oil spill with these fans. Everybody in the server had no oil spill with these fans, so I don't know what this whole oil spill rumor came with. There's no pictures. I didn't see no pictures. Listen, if you have some oil spills, or if you know, go join the server. Join the KosherTech server. I'll have it in the description below. Hop on. I want to see these oil spills that you had in these fans. But anyways, and also, almost forgot. Also, one other thing, the PWM functionality, like I said, they obviously do have, which I showed you guys. Now I gotta say, the only whack thing is they don't give you any feedback. So for instance, when in the Asiahorse FS-9002 fans, you actually get this blinking blue light to give you feedback, knowing that the different PWM mode is switched. Unfortunately, with these, you do not have that. Again, pretty whack. But anyways, we got the solid color, right? We got white, we got green, we got banging purple, I gotta say. Well, pinkish purple? I wanna say like a pinkish purple. We got teal. The hell, we got baby blue, teal and baby blue, okay. We got orange, and we got yellow. We got more yellow. And we got more yellow, I think. We got purple. We got green. We got nice red. Red, I gotta say, is pretty fire. Now, I think it's only, yeah, I believe it's only on the white one that the Asiahorse fan was just not white all the way. But regardless, it looks nice now. But anyways, let's look at the brightness. Now, it does have a brightness adjustment. So let's lower it. The feedback on the remote control, I gotta say, is really nice. This is on the lowest brightness, and of course you could turn them off. You can turn them back on. And now let's put it in max brightness. The feedback on the remote control is pretty fire. You guys know when I do, review plenty of these Chinese RGB remote controls, some remote controls are pretty whack. They give you terrible feedback, meaning it's very hard to constantly press them and whatnot. Let's go back to white. Listen, the white is beautiful, and of course, in the white, you could also, have different brightness adjust. Now, also, when you do restart the computer, right, when you do restart your PC, it's gonna be set to the color that you have had it on. So, all right, let's hit auto quickly. Rainbow effect is absolutely beautiful. Same exact effects, but like I said, I do gotta give it to Asiahorse because the hub has better effects than the hub for the EZDIY-FAB. And then we could run through them. Exactly. So we get like plenty of these effects. We have these effects. We have these effects. We got these effects. Listen, they exact knockoff. Whichever one you want to get, right? If you want to get the FABs, pure whites. Now the Asiahorse FS-9002s come in black. The FABs don't come in black. So the FABs you could only get in white. So if you want to get the black version of these fans, you got to go, for the time being, you got to go with Asiahorse, because Asiahorse actually do have them in black. That's pretty dope for all you cats that want these fans. These are personally, I gotta say, for white fans, probably for what they do, they are the Asiahorse ones are my favorite. The EZDIY-FAB is just a knockoff. If you want to save a few pesos, you know what I'm saying. So if you want to save a few dollars, if you're in a strict budget, where $5 makes or breaks it, then probably go with the FABs, you know what I'm saying? But, honestly, just go with Asiahorse. Exact same thing, man. It's a dope effect. Exact same thing. So you get plenty of these effects. You get PWM, decent PWM control. The remote control, I gotta say, is pretty, they dropped the ball on that, but yeah, these are the FAB pure whites knockoff of the Asiahorse FS-9002s. Literally a knockoff, as you guys saw that I basically proved in this video. But let me know what you cats think, of course, in the comments below. What you guys think about these fans. You guys agree with Kosher, disagree with Kosher, you guys have them, you guys want them, I don't know. Let me know, yo. As always, guys, I'm KosherTech. I'm gonna catch you cats next time. Deuces.